In this video, I'm going to share to you on how you can make an empty set symbol in Microsoft Word. So let's get started. So you just need to open your Microsoft Word, and this is the shortcut that we are going to use. So if you didn't have the numeric keypad on your keyboard, well, do not worry. You can always use the on-screen keyboard of your Windows. Just simply type in the Windows search bar on, and the on-screen keyboard will appear. Click on that. So we just need to follow this shortcut. So press the Alt key on your keyboard. And as you can see, we have the Alt key visible in blue color. That means that we have just pressed it. While pressing it, go to the numeric keypad and type 8709 and release your finger from the Alt key. And that's it. You have just created the empty set symbol. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.